Hello everyone, today we are in the BYD Seal Premium model. The car is charged to 100% and we are going for a range test today to Vijayawada. It's about 344 kilometers as shown in the map. This is not going to be a usual range test, like we are not going to go from 100 to 0 directly. Going to maintain a minimum limit. As we go forward, maybe on the Vijayawada highway, we might take a charge for about half an hour on a fast charger and we'll let you know the update. Let's begin the journey. The air temperature is set to 24 degrees and the fan limit is number 2 and the AC will be on throughout the journey with radio and FM. We'll just drive the car as it normally drives and we'll try to keep the battery limit usage as low as possible on the highway. Going forward, we would also cruise it at a speed of about 110 kilometers per hour. This model of BYD Seal, which is the premium model, the middle one, has a battery of about 82.5 kilowatt, can go about 650 kilometers in a single charge. Guys, another quick update. We are more 100 kilometers up to the ride. We started at 344, it is 144. Total we have traveled about 200 kilometers. The odometer says it's at 62%. We started at 100. We are going about at 100 kilometers per hour. We'll take about 1.5 hour, 2 hours more to cover the ride, and we'll stop in between. Probably once it reaches 50%, we'll just find a charging station and charge it, and let's go again. Guys, a quick update. The car is at 61%. We have just stopped to take a quick breakfast break and we are just charging it at GNT EV motor station. It's a 60 kilowatt hour charger and we are just charging it for 40 minutes. Let's see what happens. Guys, this is a 60 kilowatt charger. We are just charging it at Hyderabad Vijayawada highway, and because this is a 60 kilowatt and a fast charger, we have to put the both AC and the DC plugs in the charger. The car is currently at 62% and it is charging at 60 kilowatt hour. Charger, we also have to connect the DC port with the AC port. This is the car charger and this is how it looks. We just have to connect it like this. We are off from the charging station. We have charged it to a 98% from 61%. This cost us 700 rupees. Charge approximately 38 to 39%. We are left with 130 to 140 kilometers. Guys, a quick update. We are done with 300 kilometers on the car. We started with 344 and it is about 44 kilometers to remain. The odometer started at about, I guess, 888, I'm not sure. So we are done with 1174 kilometers and the car says it's 79%. Actually originally charged to 100, brought it down to 61% and then charged it again to 98% in between. In the end of this ride, I will tell you exactly how much we drove and how much car would actually drive from 100 to a 0%. Vijayawada at around 12 PM today. Sorry, couldn't shoot that time. So the odometer when we had started the journey was reading about 888 kilometers. Now it is 1243. I think you can see it. And the battery now is at 66%. In between the journey, we had charged it to 100% from 60%. At the end of the video, I'll just let you know as to how the actual mileage on the road of this car. Now going back to Hyderabad, it's about 291 kilometers now. And I think our car odometer is reading 414 kilometers, so we should reach the destination without any charging, but if we charge, I'll let you know. Guys, so we are had stopped for a charging break. The car was at 65% and I wanted to make sure that it is enough charge that it reach home. So I had put it on a charge. It's on 90% right now, and this is how the system shows while it is charging on a 60 kilowatt charger on a highway. Further, I'll just show you inside the car as to how we start and what is the charging and what the odometer reads. Hey guys, so we have started after the charging break. The charger is at a 90% right now. We are directly heading to Hyderabad. It's about 300 kilometers from here. I'll let you know for the further updates. Guys, quick update. We are on the way to Hyderabad. We are almost 60 kilometers up. I have cruised my car at 95 kilometers per hour. So you can see the battery usage. It's only 15 kilowatt per hour. It has usually gone up down to almost 8 or 9. So this way I have just realized that by cruising your car you can significantly reduce your battery consumption and increase your battery mileage. I guess I'll drive the car for more 20 to 30 kilometers on cruise and I'll let you know the update. Hey guys, so it's end of the trip. I thought we'll directly complete the trip and I'll let you know the verdict. So we are 800 meters from the venue, so approximately we have finished the ride. So we started at 888 reading of the odometer. It's currently at 1511. So you can see approximately 620 kilometers the car has driven for, and the car is presently at 39%. After this video, I'll just put a blank screen and tell you exactly how much did we charge it for, how much did it cost us, and approximately what range does the car give from 100 to 0 once it has been charged fully. That is it. So this is Bhuvit Visharia signing off.